12s, here we go. New video for today, reducing balance loans. Right. Now, in this sort of a situation here, what's happening is, imagine you have borrowed some money, and instead of paying it all back at the end, right, that's not how these things work, you have to make regular repayments every fortnight or month or something like that. Okay? Now, you're making regular repayments, means that the amount that you owe is going down all the time. Right, that's a good thing. Also, because the interest is being calculated on how much you owe, it means the interest you're being charged is reducing all the time as well. Now, there are some formulas that we could use to model this behaviour. It's beyond the scope of the Mathematics General 2 course. We are going to do this with a table. Excel would be excellent, but we are not going to use Excel. We are going to do it manually here because that's how it works in an exam. Okay. Take some time, press pause if you like, read the question, read it carefully. I've already read it, so I'm going to move along here. Here we go. Now, here's our table. Now, we have, right, we've got a principal of $120,000. Remember, we need to calculate the interest, and it looks like this. Interest equals PRN. My principal is $120,000. Right, that's how much I owe at the start of this month. My rate is 7%, 0.07 per annum. We want a month's worth of interest, so that's over 12, yeah. Now, the number of terms is 1. It's 1 month, so I can times by 1 or not. Works out the same, of course. Now, look, if you want to do this with the calculator, cancels the 12s there, and I get interest of $700. Yep. That means at the end of the month, what do I owe? Well, I started owing $120,000 and they've charged me $700 interest. So now $120,000 and $700 minus a repayment. So this plus this minus this means that my balance has gone down by $50. That's $119, $950. End of the month. Now, next month, I don't start with the principal of $120,000, I start with this. Okay, so this figure, remember this figure gets carried down to here without any changes to it, 119,950. That goes down there. Now I do the same thing again, except because my principal is slightly smaller now, because this number is slightly smaller, right, then my interest is slightly, ever so slightly smaller. It's now $699.71. Same repayment, $750. This plus this minus this equals 119,899.71. Now remember, I transfer this figure down to here, 119,899.71, and I just keep working along. I'm going to press pause because, you know, your time is precious. Hey. Fix it up. Look, there we go. Filled in all those blanks, right? Now, you can keep going on for a long time doing this. If, I don't know how much is still owing after 10 years. That's going to be pretty painful using this method here. However, you usually ask to fill in a couple of blanks like this. If you want to know total amount repaid, right? If you are told make so many repayments, keep this in mind, this is not uncommon. How many, so Mr. and Mrs. Smith here, let's say they made 400 repayments of $750. How much do they repay in total? Right? 400, lots of 750, yeah. Okay, that'd be the total repayment. Want to know the total interest? It'll be the total repayments minus that initial principal. Yeah, so you can work those sorts of things out. Not terribly unusual to be asked those sorts of things, or to fill in some blanks in the table like this. Practice them. Practice them. That's what we'll be doing in class on Monday. Okay, see you then. Bye.